Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to start off by saying thank you for all of the positive reception on my videos recently. I just started out game development, um, started out at the beginning of the year as something I wanted to try and get into and learn more about. And so far, I've posted 4 videos and they've done relatively well. And I just wanted to say thank you to those of you who have subscribed and liked my videos. I really appreciate it. I kind of wanted to give a roadmap for the channel and my plans for it. So, just a little bit about what I'm doing in game development. I have 2 games that I'm currently working on solo. I have the Project Nollis is what I'm calling it. It is the video, um, or it is the game that I've been doing my videos in so far. It's going to be an RPG style, um, and kind of a scrolls like is the goal for it, end goal. But it's going to take a long time. It's going to be a project that takes many years to get to how I want it to be, especially with my limited knowledge to some of the higher end systems in Unreal. And the other game I'm working on is the one that I'm running around in right now. Um, this one is, I'll be honest, I don't really have a project name for it yet. I just started it yesterday, and I've just built my test level out and I've implemented a little bit of combat. Um, it is just going to be just a basic, I don't know, maybe even RPG slash hack and slash. I don't really know a good way to describe it yet. I haven't really found the soul of the project yet. But these are the 2 things I'm working on right now. And I'll probably start documenting my progress with them a lot in some future videos. So be on the lookout for those. And other than that, if you guys have any tutorials that you would like to see, please feel free to shoot me a comment down below. And if I know how to do it, I will gladly share it with you guys. I've been doing a lot of work in combat systems and trying to make them feel more impactful. So in this one, I've done a lot of just melee combat building, adding in piece by piece when it comes to abilities. So I'll kind of show you guys here. I have basic attacks. They're going to have a screen shake, hit effects, and then your attacks build up combo points, which is that yellow bar at the bottom. And then you can spend those points on different abilities, like that sweep double kick uses 4. And then you can build up combo points by just attacking. And then you can spend them on a big ability, and that'll be like the AoE one. It's kind of where I've gotten so far. They all apply damage. I'm in the process of writing AI right now. These are just essentially my dummies, just to test hit animations and stuff like that. But yeah, so this is where I'm at right now with this project. My goal is to try and have this as a pretty fast turnaround. I'm going to keep it small. I just want to have my first actual finished project here within the next few months, I'm hoping. So, yeah, it'd mean a lot if you guys would stick around and let me know if you guys want to see anything in particular, like I said before, any particular tutorials, and I'll make sure to keep those in mind. If not, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.